Welcome. At AI Foundry, our mission is to put your data to work so that you can extract the most value from it every day. We transform enterprise operations by integrating information, people, and processes to enable increased insight and improved decision making. In this video, we'll show you how to validate fields in our solution for Agile mortgages. Let's get started. Here you can see we're completing the review of the classification for the classification of documents. When we click the review button here, we'll go ahead and click OK, and it will automatically bring us to a screen that looks very similar for the validation of fields. Like in the classification process, when we clicked OK and we were brought into the documents requiring field validation, you can see we have a number of documents where all the fields were properly extracted. And it brought us to the first document and the first field in that document that actually required validation. Here you can see that the base loan amount has absolutely no value populated for it. The reason that it has no value populated is we can see that it wasn't able to find the trigger, base loan amount, or base loan, or base LA, because of a problem with the scan. Perhaps there was something on the piece of paper. So, in order to fill in the base loan amount, we could either just type in the value, or we can click the value in the image, and it will automatically populate it into the field, conveniently highlighting it to show what value it took. If we select other fields, it will bring us to those fields and highlight the value that it used to select that field. So, you can see that the next field that it wants us to review is the total loan amount. So, selecting the total loan amount, we see it highlighted, and we can see the value is correct. And all we need to do is select the Validate button, and now it's successfully validated this loan. Now, again, it skips over the other documents where it's already extracted the fields properly and brings us to the next field that needs review. Here you can see that the value that is selected, 9712.10, or $9,712.10, is highlighted in the document. And if we take a look in the field by putting the mouse cursor over it, we can see that it was set to force review because the OCR confidence threshold wasn't met. You can set the OCR confidence thresholds higher or lower for various fields. In this case, closing costs confidence threshold was set very high because it's a very critical field and it's absolutely critical that we get it right. Selecting any one of these fields will go ahead and highlight the value that was selected. We're going to go ahead and validate this field since it did fill it in properly. And because there are no other documents in this batch that require validation, all the fields have been properly validated, the batch is completed. Now you have a sense of how to validate fields and the various rules you may set on a field in our solution for Agile mortgages. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in learning more, please click here to request a personalized demo with a member of the AI Foundry team.